Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Pix-Link WR29T Wi-Fi Extender setup. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Pix-Link WR29T Wi-Fi Extender is a wireless device that increases the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network by extending the signal to weak areas. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the Pix-Link WR29T into a wall power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED turns solid. Make sure the extender is powered on before continuing. Keep the extender in the same room as your router during the initial setup. You can move it later after the setup is complete. On your phone, laptop, or desktop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default network name, SSID Pix-Link _2.4G or Pix-Link _5G. Tap to connect. No password is needed for the first time connection. Once connected, stay connected to this network during the entire setup process. Open any web browser, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type this IP address, 192.168.10.1, then press enter on your keyboard. Tip: if the setup page doesn't open, try disconnecting from other networks and make sure you're still connected to the Pix-Link _2.4G Wi-Fi. You'll see the Pix-Link login page. Enter the default login credentials. The username and password is admin, then click on the login button. After logging in, you'll see different working modes like router mode, repeater mode, or access point mode. Select repeater mode, or sometimes shown as wireless repeater. This mode allows your WR13B to connect to your main Wi-Fi network and extend its coverage. The repeater will automatically scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait a few seconds until you see a list of all available Wi-Fi signals around you. From the list, select your main Wi-Fi network name, SSID. This is the Wi-Fi you want to extend. After selecting your network, a password field will appear. Enter your main Wi-Fi password carefully. You can also change the extended network name, SSID, if you want. For example, if your router name is Home Wi-Fi, you can name the repeater network Home Wi-Fi _XT to easily identify it. Once all details are correct, click on Apply or Save at the bottom of the page. The repeater will save the settings and automatically restart. This may take around 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the LED lights will blink and then stabilize when the setup is done. Setup complete. Your Pix-Link WR13B Wi-Fi repeater is now successfully connected and working as a Wi-Fi booster. You can now enjoy strong and stable internet signals in areas where Wi-Fi was weak before. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.